government and individually great people. So let us begin our show with Madam Kiran Bedi, who is on the dais, and let us see what her opinion is all about.
Thank you, sir. India, ninth largest economy in the world, one of the fastest growing nations in the world. Still, India is growing. 121 crore. Still, India is growing. Where are the Indians? Indians, they are not growing, but India is growing. That's why I, working with Anna Hazare sir, we are working together. We have started India Against Corruption campaign so that we can overcome all the obstacles which we as Indians are facing. But still, India is growing.
हमारे अन्ना जी का क्या विचार है?
So first, a very good afternoon everyone. So before I start with my point, I would like to share some facts. Yeah. So India is the ninth largest economy in the world, right? And it has the third largest purchasing power. The electricity rate is 74% high, but still 70% of the population still lives in the villages. Right? 72% of all the underprivileged kids in the world are from India. India has 17 million child laborers, which is the highest.
तो अन्ना जी आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि on the whole India is a great country.
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि इंडिया is progressing, but Indians I'm not really sure of.
हमारे साथ हमारे बीच में सचिन जी भी बैठे हैं, who is a very live example of individual success. इनसे better कौन?
Sir, I would like to quote on this. We Indians are ever ready to blame on others, blame our education system, blame our politics, blame our government. We are always demanding for our rights, but where are our duties? We are forgetting our duties. Our Indian education system, if a person is successful through our education, then I am sitting here the most successful dropout of the school. And I am a successful person.
This position, it has not been any contribution of the government or the country India which has really put you towards this driver position, the driver of your life.
Of course, if we from ourselves, from our heart, we contribute to something our interest, so definitely we would progress, and if we would progress, India will progress.
But sir, don't you think that all the progress which has been done, or achievement which you have achieved up till now, or the crore which you are making, both as way of royalty or as way of ad endorsement or your playing career, it is only going to you?
Yes, sure, it's going to me, but I have been a silent crusader in terms of contributing towards Indian society. I have done a lot in the
Sir, what is the current value of your house in Mumbai?
Sir, the current value I have never estimated as it was invested 22
Sir,
years ago.
media tell us it is about 32 crores.
Sir, you are growing, Indians are growing, but where is India?
Yeah, man, I would like to welcome all of you as the CEO. Ma'am, sir, as you know, the country knows or the world knows. I would like to reply you that, we are growing, I am growing, we are helping country. But what? You can see, I have 64 development centers in India and 68 training centers around the country and the world. 75 national peoples are working with me. I am making their management, and we are on the way to build a success. We are making import and export throughout the country of the softwares. I have made India on the world map when there was no one to tell I am competing with MNCs. I am making the softwares. What I trust, value you give me, quality I provide. That's my point, that we are making India.
But sir, how many of such eyes are there in our own country? We have a whole length of 1 crore plus 1 billion plus population. How many of such stalwarts like Narayan Murthy are there to really take charge of our country? Let's see what our youth leader has to express in this opinion.
Yeah.
Actually, I am here for the voice of the youth. And when I talk about youth, I am reminded of what one Swami Vivekananda said, and I quote, I want the muscles of iron and nerves of steel, in which dwells the same material as in thunder and bolt. am very keen to ask my very dear friends, all the panelists out here. I'll be taking your points. I will be your voice.
To say on this position.
Sir, it is India is the at present time. India is companies and we have Narayan Murthy with us. And sir, as an actor, it's really reminded about a commercial advertisement. तुम बढ़ोगे तो हिंदुस्तान बढ़ेगा.
जी हाँ.
क्या हिंदुस्तान बढ़ रहा है? Is India developing right now? And what about the Indians? Just single question to all of you.
Sir, do you feel, or I will like to ask Mayawati Madam ji sitting here, what is the basic problem which is hurting India? Is it the